We have LA outside, and then we come to the room. 2 beds right here. 1 bedside table. Got your Sony alarm clock. Lights there. Also a reading light right above the beds. There is a little couch right here. We'll back up. We'll have a smart TV that you can use Netflix in, some streaming, some YouTube. Let's see if there is a mini fridge. There's a mini fridge right there. Coffee machine there. Desk and chair. Good amount of space here along this area. We have a pretty bright bathroom, a cool design in the mirror. Our products are from this company. Nice little faux marble tile work. This is a tub. Our shower head looks like that. This art piece is kind of nice. I think that's pretty cool. There is a little key holder, I guess, in the mirror right here. Then we have the closet. Safe up there. This is room 2120. Looks normal size. That one looks a little bit bigger. And the corners are bigger as well. This is the room, folks.